Hi, first graders. Today we are learning about the word pavement. So that is one of our amazing words today. And the pavement is outside where we are walking on the concrete or the cement. One of our students had a really good question and asked if the pavement is part of the wall because the wall is really hard. And I said the pavement only happens for Spider-Man because he can walk along the walls. But since we aren't Spider-Man, we can't walk on the walls. It's not pavement. So pavement is where we walk outside. So while you're listening to the song today, please listen for the word pavement. Here we go.
I like to explore what is outside my door. There are so many places to play. There is grass in the yard and a pavement so hard I can bounce a ball on it all day. Outside my front door, my friends and I play active games. We play tag on the lawn until daylight is gone, and we hear moms and dads call our name. Bobby, time to come in.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Very good. So I hope that you are listening for the word pavement. And our big question this week is, what is outside my door? So go ahead and talk with your grown-up about what you see outside your door and try to use the word pavement.